Hello friends, today's video is the Burda Style September 2024 premiere. In it, Burda opens the new fall season 2024. From this first show, we discover the fashion trend for the upcoming fall and winter season in a new style, which is the style of jeans and denim through blouses, skirts, trousers, denim suits, and even dresses. This issue will satisfy jeans style lovers. In addition to the trend of fashion towards the old style through technologically advanced models that prove how old style can be modern. We also find the fashion trend for the upcoming season tends towards geometric shapes through longitudinal and transverse lines in different colors suitable for going out and working. In addition to black and white models, watch the presentation while we are waiting for the fall magazine. Waiting for your opinion in the comments.